Yo. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your Jambisco back with another reaction. Yeah, man, gang, you see what we are doing today. Yo, that mafia, we're back in the music lab, and today we're back with none other than Mr. Dark Room once again. Yeah, man, Mr. Baddest Thing Uptown. We're talking about none other than Shano and the one named Gunslinger. Yeah, man, gang, we'll check it out and see what dog deal with. You don't know where continue. You see me? The this to Demarco continue. You know, stop till him fly Demarco, but you see me? So I check it out and see what dog deal with it. You see me? Shano next attempt at murdering Demarco, killing the giant. We'll check it out and see what dog deal with it. In at the track, let's get it. Shano Gunslinger, let's get it, gang.
Your pussy must think out the place before you start the song. A bad this push him should have passed the prom.
No, bro. Me can't deal with this, bro. This song just started. The first two words are this, bro. How the hell? How man even start the sentence proper, bro? Gee, man said he was think of hey, alright.
Your pussy must think out the place before you start the song. A bad this push.
The man said two words before in this. One word before in this, Marco. The man said you, and the next word was this, bro. The first two. How he did, bro? He might now waste no time. Come in, bro. This guy me.
Your pussy must think out the place before you start the song. A badness them a push them should have passed the prom. Them that for drive past the place. Them could have partners.
The man say yo, I'm gonna think of a place before you start the song, man. A badness you push. My youth with your big old gut in front of you, get a prom and push that before you push badness to me. And that the man say on the track on me, so him say so. Start the song. A badness them a push them should have passed the prom. Them that for drive past my place, them could have partners and PUBG, the pussy them a play about them. Man say, drive past my place. Yeah, big up summer camp, but you couldn't drive past my place. Not park the Nissan, brother. So don't do it.
My start mission. Formatic and a cutting tool, nothing cool, so the whole of Spain town go fi fool. Now fi prove me badness.
Man say formatic and a cutting tool. You know what I thought to me binds you, me chop you up in a piece. Alright.
Me got the school.
Don't ask me, I know that.
I'm born no mutton food. Me target and make the news clot, it shot in a head apart, it and make it move.
Oh, my target and make the news now, me clot it and in a head, make it move. Hey, come in, man.
Me target and make the news clot, it shot in a head apart, it and make it move.
Yeah, man.
Head top, lift, gone left the roof, if I never come.
Man say head top, lift, gone left the roof, man, yo. Gone left the roof. Gone left the roof like when Gilbert passed back in the 19, no long. Gone like the roof when Katrina hit Florida. Gone like the roof from my Benz and my Bim. Alright, me stop now.
I'm so sorry. Kick a messy shoes. Badness enough it. Badness enough it. Badness enough it you.
Yeah, bro.
Enough it. Darkness enough it.
Yeah. Man say badness enough it. Don't fit the Demarco. Man say don't fit you. You see me, man say better go endorse Chubby. You know what? I
just say nigga like Nike, Ben if a killers choose the type of send. This time them shot them a circle pan the bike send. Your big ass thing pussy on me fist fight when the break side of me pussy just make sure one this.
Voila. Yo, me brain need to catch up. Voila, no share no behave.
Badness enough for you.
Yeah.
Darkness enough for
yeah.
Darkness enough for you're not straight nigga like Nike, Ben if a killers choose the type of send. This
how would the man say you're not straight like Nike, Ben?
Them shot them a circle pan the bike send. Your big ass thing pussy on me fist fight when the break side of me pussy just make sure one beside you when me
man say yeah big ass thing pussy on me fight when the break or the right beside me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goshish. Me I turn a towel with you by the you know.
Your big ass thing pussy on me fist fight when the break side of me pussy just make sure one beside you when me pull up mount a time I chat shit you need a green.
Man just make sure say I did it when me pull up in a dog. You see me? Hey.
Light up pen. 9 next to break a friend. 100% badness and even 5% dark room.
You man say 100% badness. Me a 100% badness like orange juice. You're not even 5% like the fake. Hey, you come like Tampico, brother. Use not pure, bro. Use Tampico. Use that fake juice.
Biggest song when you can write me not invite your friends. Mad pussy. Oh, the chef gone with the sauce rifle. Me walk with the talk. Anywhere my clot it with big load on the cartridge.
Man say, oh, the chef gone with the sauce. You see me rifle clot when me walk, brother. I want to tell you, brother, me and the chef. Oh boy, if you come teeth the sauce from me, when me cook it up from scratch. I want to come a cause it start. Hope I lick the balls in the bathroom for the partner. Train in my vent, shit in my chat. Visitor then. Hope I lick. Alright. Open your balls, Cheno, or if it's Demarco balls? Cause I mean, if I Demarco balls, I think that is a this, you know, brother. That is not a this. That damn thing that fit go. Let me hear, bro.
It start open like the balls in the bathroom for the park.
Yeah. 4 balls. Your balls are why? It's just because of the lyrics. Me have to act. Alright. See, when I come, now push off on the why for that? Forget that. All me I say is, if it what happened we mentioned, if it happened to Demarco, that is a good thing. So either you take female and do it to you, or you know.
No invite your friend, mad pussy. Oh, the chef gone with the sauce. Right for me walk with the talk. Anywhere my clottage we pass. Zig load on the cartridge tall. Don't flick on my
man, zig load on the cartridge tall. Remember that?
As it start, hope I lick the balls in the bathroom for the partner draw. In my vent, shit.
Okay, hope I lick the balls in the bathroom for the partner draw. For you gotta clarify. Cause you take film girl and she do the things to you, or she do that to him. Cause that is not a diss to the market for that.
My chat, visit a dent, pitch a tent, any nigga move. Quick attempt, never care, crash a clip a dent. In a ligaments, nigga test, she got press bone.
I never care crash, bro. It's a dent in her chest with the hey, I want to stop playing with you, know.
Quick attempt, never care, crash a clip a dent. In a ligaments, nigga test, she got
never care crash at the clip a dent in a ligaments.
I press bone gone, everything I left. Rip a flesh, stick a bet. You say me broken on the money.
Hey, rip up flesh, brother. The stick a death, you know, bro. All dynamite, man. Cheno, hey, dynamite.
I press bone gone, everything I left. Rip a flesh, stick a bet. You say me broken on the money. If me want me can go lift a Benz, boss a drive by me blood.
Man say me broken on the money. If me want me can go lift a Benz. Alright, Cheno, me don't believe you broke, you know. But no, me believe you broke. No, me believe you rascal broke. Cause the man say you broke and he say, yo, if me want me can lift a Benz, you know. That sound like one of them pick me when they say, yo, dog. That's all like a pick me when you're little. I have your ties and pick me see you with you and you know say they mash up the things you know and give them and they say, you know if me want one of that, me can get one of that. I saw your sound, you know. I saw your sound right now. Me sorry. Me don't know why I picture that, but I saw your show. Your sound broke no. Me no believe. Hey, believe it is a Demarco troll, you know. But if you're a big artist and you can talk about, oh, you say me broke. If me want me can lift a Benz better. A Benz is not the Asian, no dog.
Stick a bet. You say me broken on the money. If me want me can go lift a Benz, boss a drive by, make blood lit a fence. Picture take yellow tape.
Yeah man, you know, me not pick the side, but the line they make you so broke. If me want, me can lift a Benz, you know. I true me no want to. True me no want no car like that yet. Everybody want a car like that. Stop it. Everybody want a good car for drive and them nice things. What you mean if you want, you will go drop a. You what, nigga got? You want to drop a bev? Every yard man want drop a Benz and a Beamer. Every yard man want drop a Benz or a Beamer. Me I tell you that. Me not ask you. Me know you want one. So what you mean if you want share, you know? Want, hey. You can't maintain.
The 3 musketeers are easy target practice. Binds a beat the Glock chip. Boy I call police but please for assist. Patrol please the Patrick. Easy ratchet, breezy matty. Pass the shot beneath the attic. Breach the house and need the locksmith. Boy.
Oh boy, breach the house. Me don't need locksmith now when I come here in my yard. I don't need key and I do not need the locksmith. Yes, all me need is the Smith and Wesson. Yeah, man.
John, we can make the news start. It chat in the party to make it move. Head top, lift down, left the roof. If I never come on the rifle start, kick on messy shoes. Badness and nothing. Badness and nothing.
Badness and nothing. You. God damn, boy. You see some people are going to say, yo, badness and nothing. You know, fit, you know, brother. You see some people are weird. You see, somebody are wear a bad hat, or bad shoes, or pants, or shirt, or one of them. You see me, and then you see somebody say bad, and then go try it, and it's like, yeah, I don't feel that still, you know, it don't fit you the same way, you know, man. Yeah, man, badness enough for you, Michi. Come in.
Darkness and nothing, darkness and nothing. Which convict you only name clip? Trigger figure fancy, pan clip me travel with that.
Damn, bro, man, say which convict, bro? You only name clip. Yo, dog, this eating argument, we can't deny it. Nobody else other than them thing there, bro. Go run some file, bro. You know what I'm saying? You see me, but G's and peace.
Antics, beat him until him vomit up a dozen panty. Bin lad the badness a bomb fling pull grenade damping. You know John Wick, Diva John.
Man, I talk about eating more than a youth from Africa. One of them poor starving nation in Africa, bro. Not even when I talk about eating like them, man.
In a resting nozzle pan your face, I think it at a conceal a regular procedure. When it knock, it a give a siege. A magil barrel eager fi release a piece of it a idiot.
Woo! Barrel there for release a piece of idiot. Hey, you idiot.
Yamping, you know John Wick, Diva John Cena, resting nozzle.
Yeah, not John Wick, not John Cena, bro. Bro. Yeah, not John Wick, yeah, that way John Wick about gun, bro. You're not even John Cena, bro. Where I wrap up and wrestle with man and I roll and thump out things. It's me, not even that. Not even John Cena with fake fight. But you want to be John Wick with the real killer? The man when you bat the one man army? That you want to do, man say, come on, bro. Man say, get
on your face, I think it.
The man say, be real,
Demarco. Conceal a regular procedure when it knock. It a give a siege. A magil barrel eager fi release a piece of it a idiot. People them knows.
Yo, that leave. Whoo, share no, tell us, share nobody no.
When it
as much as me call out artists when they fire when they use a double-edged sword. Cause I tell you in a song, you know, when you make a line don't make sense or you cut yourself for the whole. I'ma say it. Some people might feel like no. But say that when them bad to me, I tell you them bad too. Cause listen to
it a give a siege. A magil barrel eager fi release a piece of it a idiot. People them nose bite alone sparks a stove light a four stripe a length bust the most scared the most sniper pussy. Yeah, all I'm gun them.
Holy shit! Come on, man. Listen what man I say. I say length bust the most sniper.
Bite alone sparks a stove light a four stripe a length bust the most scared the most sniper pussy.
Length bust the most scared the most sniper. Cause yeah, man. Mr. Leng from Sting. I know he was an ex-police, you know what I'm saying? You know, bad man Leng. Just like Adams, you know what I'm saying?
Regular procedure when it knock, it a give a siege. A magil barrel eager fi release a piece of it a idiot. Pitbull him nose bite alone.
Pitbull him nose bite alone.
One sparks a stove light a four stripe a length.
Love light, no. Hey!
The most scared, the most sniper pussy. Me all I'm gun them close, leave a close tighter. Them not my future when me done the four.
The man say, yo, Leng must the most scared, the most sniper. Me and me gun close, not even close tighter. Hey, behave.
Should I scrap your speech? Lock your beak. Me will send some killers at your feet for both over you up and watch your list.
Should I scrap your speech? Lock your beak. Me will send some killer at your feet for both.
Because I drop your sleep. Uzi block your street. Fly your bat your.
Because level Shadow play right here, bro. The man just can't. Yo, Shadow Ryan scheme, bro. I just love the man Ryan scheme, bro. The man just like when the man come to speak, it's like yeah. Your brain a fight, keep up. You see that? Love it.
Convict no sign of fear, sing a sign them sign of fear, drop your brief. Get lighter than tobacco leaf. Now watch him wait me so.
Man, say lighter than tobacco leaf.
Send him a butcher, chop up me, scratch up Vicks, pull.
I always think that in the dog you go buy your grab off, you put it there, for the thing like.
Look back up neat. A gunman movie, you a watch pussy, you never own a gun, in that you see it.
Woo! Man, say a gunman movie I watch pussy, you never own a gun. Only in your sleeping, say. Which is facts. You can't deny the line, bro. You come with John Wick, bro. You clearly watch Gunman movie. Clearly, you watch Gunman movie. If you come and say you don't watch Gunman movie, no, you're not Demarco. Yo, you're lying. Everybody watch Gunman movie. You see me? Man say, I just movie alone I watch though. You know, watching is not the problem when man say, yeah, you can watch and use your imagination and feel, say your body, you know. Demarco, hey!
John Wick can make the news clot, it chat in the head party to make it move.
So man make John Wick make news.
Gone left the roof if I never come on the right start kick on messy shoes.
Boom, me a Beckham when they start king if I messy shoes better. You see me?
Badness enough it.
Badness enough it. Badness enough you. That easy. Yeah man, bongo jungle you talk about man. Yeah man, bongo belt. Yeah man, yeah. Shout out to Tyree, bro. Yeah man, that one the name. Yeah man, shout out to that Shane Gunslinger. War get nice. The man them a drop double tune in a one tier. Love that. Big up to Hot Dog. You see me? Yeah man. That one they come. Yeah man, we dog name man. Yeah man, Hot Dog, we dog name man. Mafia. You see? Wait, whoa, me just realize it. That dog name Mafia, you know, the Dan Mafia, you know. And that one in the same, big up the Dan Mafia, you see? Yeah, like Mafia say love that. The man drop double tune and them thing there. Multiple disses in a day. Man, them lyrics box can't do. Me love that. Brain did at work. Hey, me not call no name, you know. But enough artists can chop 2 tunes in a one day, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love how I go and say. I enjoy myself. Me not lie. Me open and enjoy it too. We enjoy the good things, man. The war there, man. I enjoy it, man. Lyrics are chop. You see, man, my wicked. Keep it up, gang, man. I appreciate it. Shout out to Shano and Demarco. Man, I can't wait to see what's gonna happen in this thing, man. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. But gang, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. Who not bring that one? Who have more lyrics, who much have more style, who have the most melody, who have the most better album artwork, who have the most gimmicks, all that shit. Who do you think is winning, bro? Cause all of this shit, you know, all of those things that I've mentioned, lyrics, melody, the artwork, the gimmicks, the who can make them who can make fun of the other one, who can shame the other one. All of this is part of creativity. So some people are talking about, oh, it take a gimmick so tight and the artwork out there. Nah, bro, this is all about the creative process. When it comes to this song and the music, it's all about the creative process. Who can be more creative? And them are going win at the end of the day. We don't see Demarco, you know, beat Black Coyote. No, he beat fully bad, put him in the corner. You see me? That was, hey, bumbo clean. Me don't mean a thing about it. I gotta do a different video for this. You know, every time the man do a song, the man do something iconic in the war. He beat fully bad with a belt. Turn Coyote head in our runway, hairline. Now he bring Siri if you can war this man. Hey, Demarco! You don't know watch my video them, you know. You don't watch my video them, but you don't take heed. See, because you don't comment and you don't like, you don't take heed for my video because you don't go and know say now Jambisco done. And that's how you don't lose. Because if you don't watch, but you don't take heed. So if you take heed, me don't tell you if you kill the other person long time. You see me? Me don't tell you if you kill the next person long time. I give you all of the tips and tricks. All of the people just lock in, me go to pass them, want to fix up so they can win. But you need to be more creative. It's not about lyrics. It's not about lyrics. And you know what I'm saying? Not just about lyrics and melody alone when it comes to war. You see me? Because you know this one be like, oh, you want people laugh after your opponent, you know. You see me? You want people shame at your opponent, you know. You want them vex with your opponent, you know. You want them disgusted. You see me? You gotta do what you need to do to drive them emotions and bring them out. You need to make the fans them feel aware about your opponent, whether it's sad, pity, anger, mockery, it no matter what it is. You see me? I said that's what the war is about. You gotta come with your creativity to do all that shit, man. But you don't know. I chat too much, rumble up too much, and then open and enjoy reaction. Don't know. Till next time. It's boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love guys. I'm out.